Walk with the people who share your dreams, where unity builds the strongest teams. Together the mountains feel less high. Together your hopes can touch the sky. Fairness opens every door. Balance brings peace to the life you explore. Let your actions stay calm and clear as changing winds draw new paths near. Move in harmony, keep your heart aligned. Lift each other up as your strengths combine. Lead with humility, let the circle grow. Share the weight with grace, let your purpose show. And stay devoted to the skills you hold. For steady hands help a future unfold. For guidance when the load feels long. Support another when their steps aren't strong. Harmony grows when you give and receive. When you trust in the goodness you help conceive. Circumstances shift like the rivers flow, but stay with the purpose that helps you grow. Adapt with clarity, stay steady inside. Let your inner truth become your guide. Move in harmony, your heart aligned. Lift each other up as your strengths combine. Lead with humility, let the circle grow. Share the weight with grace, let your purpose show. And stay devoted to the skills you hold. For steady hands help a future unfold. Unity thrives when each person leads with balance.